If you're anything like me, when it comes to booking hotels, you're not too fussy. But sometimes, just sometimes, you want a bit of that luxury life. And you look at the prices of some of these nice hotels and realise, well, you don't have that kind of bread. But after doing some digging, I found this place, the cheapest 5-star hotel in Europe. Of course, I caught a flight straight over to Poland to stay and review the Regent Warsaw Hotel. This is the bougiest elevator I've ever been in. It is mad. Right now to find my room. There's mirrors everywhere. Right, so first thoughts. It is spacious. Whoa. What a view. Very, very nice view. I'll show you that in a second. Let me show you the room. My very nice pink suitcase. Thanks, Mum. So obviously you come in, because I showed you me, not my point of view. So you come in, and from there, then you have the big bedroom. This is a King Deluxe suite. And then over here, this is the view from the room. Ooh. Oh shit. What about this one? Oh, look at that. Some 5-star curtain opening. Anyway, regardless. Then, of course, this is where all the magic is going to happen. I'm lying. I'm so lonely. I'm 5'10". I can comfortably lay across the whole thing. That's quite a big bed. Massive bathroom. It is huge. So we've got a nice big sink here, nice mirror. We've also got like a zoomed in, I think this is, whoa. Nice big sink, big mirror. Over here we've got some more mirrors, and I don't know what's behind here just yet. Let's have a look. Clothes storage, nice. And then we lead on to the left. We have a very nice toilet. This bathroom's gorgeous. And a very, very big bath and a walk-in shower. So we've got some towels. So, what we got here? Okay, so here we have a shower cap and a vanity kit. I don't know what one of them are, but yeah. And we've got some soap, some glasses. To show you how cheap it actually is, I went to a corner shop or a grocery shop with £5 to show you how much you can get compared to what you'd get in the UK. I've seen this flavour of Walkers or Lay's before. Creamy cheese and basil. This is one of my favourite Polish snacks. It's called paluszki, and this is with salt and Milka. You need to stay hydrated. Right now in Warsaw, it's 24 degrees. I lied. It's actually now. I've never actually seen this before. Pineapple flavoured Pepsi Max. So I got all that on top of. I ate it on the way back from the shop because I was a bit peckish. On top of that, I got a hot dog, and it was like, it was bigger than average, okay? Got all that for £5. I ended up falling asleep on the bed. It is so comfy, it's ridiculous. Seeing as we are living that 5-star life, it's only right we order room service. Now, I've never actually ordered room service in my life, so this... Well, I've gone really bright. This is a first for me. We're always trying new things here. And do you know what you should try? You should try subscribing. That's what you should try. We are in Poland, obviously. So it's only right we try pierogi. I think it's like a national cuisine. So we're going to see if they've got that. And I need a drink because the water that I bought from the shop with that £5 budget thing, sparkling. What? Who wants to drink sparkling water? Vile. Absolutely vile. Hello, could I order some room service, please? Please, could I get the dumplings? No, that's it, thank you. 106. Cash, please. Amazing, thank you very much. Bye now. Boom. I've just had my food delivered. First ever Room service. Ooh, yeah. Excuse my feet. Oh my god. I'm not sure how I feel about the smell. Okay. So this is goat's cheese. Let's try it. They're not for me. They're not for me at all. I do not like that. The texture of the dumpling. It smells really funky. I don't know if that's because it's cheese. Let's give it another try. No. Oh shit. Underwhelming. I thought it might put me over till dinner tonight, but I'm gonna have to eat my crisps because that is. It made me feel funny. It made me feel really funny. Just getting ready to go downstairs for the meal. Now, I'm in a bit of a predicament because there's a couple of meals on the menu that I wanted to try, but after the bit of a disaster with the dumplings, I don't want to get something and it not live up to the hype. Like, I was really let down. Like, one of the things I was looking forward to the most. Show you what I've got going on. So, this polo, like, it's like a blue knitted polo. You won't be able to see what it's like. Oh god, I look massive. Anyway, it's like a blue knitted polo with some like cream jeans. I got the polo from H&M about, I don't know, it'll have been last year. I don't know where these are. They're not chinos. It's not 2012 anymore. They're jeans. Right, so I've just sat down for my dinner. I forgot the microphone upstairs, so if the audio's a bit crap, then I can't help it. But I did go with a margarita pizza. Dzięki.
Proszę bardzo.
Thank you. By the way, that pizza, oh my god. And if you're gonna comment or even think about why I leave all the crust, I'm smart. I preserve the inner of the pizza with the cheese and rather than just the baked bread. So don't judge me. Look at these vibes. So I'm sat out here just loving life. Night. Good morning. This bed is absolutely unreal. I was actually quite drunk last night. I ended up sitting with this couple and we were just talking and drinking for ages, and then I come up to the room and I felt a bit tipsy, to be fair. Go downstairs and try and have a swim. I went down yesterday but it was absolutely packed. I was going to take the camera, but so many kids in this hotel, so I don't want to take my camera down to the pool where there's kids because, well, I don't want to end up on a register. So I've just got back from the pool and the jacuzzi. I did get a little clip on my phone, but I'm glad I didn't take the camera down. For a while there was 2 or 3 big families with kids, and then obviously you don't want to be intruding people's privacy, taking a camera down to a pool when people just wanted morning dip. Good morning from Warsaw. I haven't filmed since yesterday. I had a pretty eventful day. So I'm gonna go and get a trim. So this hotel, the room, absolutely fantastic. Love it. Clean, nice and spacious. Bathroom was fantastic. Service, that you're treated like a king here. I don't know what it is, but like when I was sat downstairs, I'd not even finished my drink and they came over, would you like another drink? Blah blah blah. They call you sir. They greet you. Good morning. Lovely, lovely people. Okay, the location compared to like the other hotels that are a bit further in the centre, this is quite a walk from there. You can get an Uber. An Uber's like £3 for like a 10-minute drive. But the total price of my trip for 2 nights, and because I booked through booking.com, I got my taxi from the airport to the hotel paid for, so I didn't even have to pay for that, which was quite nice. So with that included, with the hotel, it came to £179 for 2 nights. So yeah, thank you very much for watching this video. If you are thinking about coming, or you need somewhere to stay when you visit Warsaw in Poland, this place, fantastic. Great stay. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in another video.